Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's sponsor is clearly the Belly Bundle. They sent me so many goodies for New Time Mom. I'm gonna show you guys just a few things that they gave me. Please ignore my nails because they look really bad. I have one missing, but you guys are gonna see my hands. The first thing that I got was this cute t-shirt, you guys. This is so cute. Oh my God, it has mama on it. How freaking cute. It's a black t-shirt. It feels really good as well. The quality is really nice. I have a size small, so they definitely asked me my size. I'm so excited. All right, then they gave me this cute little card. It says, if I know what love is, it is because of you. That is too freaking cute, y'all. I was actually crying whenever I opened up this box. I was like, oh my God, this is not what I deserve. I do not deserve this. I do not deserve this. It's too cute. Okay, so the next thing that I have is this candle. How cute is this candle if it focuses? There we go. So I'm gonna tell you guys how it smells too. I wanna say it says evergreen roots. It kind of smells like outside a little bit, but it has like a really nice outdoorsy scent. I'm not sure why I have a lisp right now, but I do. And then check this out. So this is a ring. How cute. And it says mama on it. How cute. I'm gonna try it on. I didn't even try it on when I first got everything. I kind of just... Oh my gosh. I'll keep this on. I like this. This makes me happy. And the next thing that I have are these cute little socks. Ooh, I messed that up for us. I have these cute little socks. Oh my gosh. Prego. They're so cute with the donut on it. Y'all love donuts right now too. This is so cute. So I'm gonna start wearing these. I love these. These are so cute. And I actually love socks. I have different types of like sayings or like colors and stuff like that. I love socks. Perfect for me. They also gave me this cute little keychain that says mama. If you can see it, if it wants to focus on there, it says mama on it. How adorable. And then they gave me this hat that says mama. You guys, I love hats too. This whole thing is just like gonna make me cry. I'm gonna cry. So, and this says motherhood. And this is a little tumbler. A nice black tumbler. Feels really nice and smooth. So, you guys, this is everything that came in my box for an entry for being the first time mom. If you guys want to check them out, you can check them out right here at the Belly Bundle. Pound the Belly Bundle. I love this company. They were so sweet whenever I reached out to them. So nice. So if you guys want anything, any kind of products for New Time moms, and they also send you things once a month if you sign up for their subscription. Once a month they'll send you something that will correlate with what you're going through in your pregnancy. So make sure you guys check them out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel down below, you guys. All right, guys.